All right, you're here to get some help on parabolas, and so I just wanted to do a little plug here on the playlists. You guys are there right now, obviously. Conic Notes. There's one of the teachers, Miss Herbert, made some notes about these guys here. So if you have the handout, you can go ahead and use that, or you can just do it right on a piece of paper. She went through parabolas as well as circles. So it's called Conic Notes, and you can check that out. There's another playlist, Parabola Practice, and it says Herbert. And what she did is she just did a whole bunch of different examples of what she did in class of Parabola Practice. So I know a lot of you are like, oh, these guys are tough. This would definitely be a good place to go. So again, look at either of these two playlists, and hopefully that'll help you out a little bit. Okay, let's go ahead and do one of them. We'll go ahead and do this guy here because this one's a little bit crazy. So first of all, we have our directrix of x equals -1. So this is where x equals -1. And if I draw a line so that it hits the x, then that is going to be x is equal to -1. Our vertex is 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, these are not awesome. Sorry about that. Okay, so that's our 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we look, we've got 1, 2, 3 is our p-value. So then 1, 2, 3 would be our focus out in that direction. So again, the p-value is equal to 3. This is a horizontal because it's going in this direction, which means that it is x is equal to some sort of y squared. So again, I've been telling my kids if it's x equals, it kind of looks like that. We've got the parabolas kind of going to the side. If it's y is equal to, I tell them it looks like that, like the parabola looks like up and down. So maybe that'll help you too. Okay, so then our focus, oh shoot, where is that? We were already out at 2 and we went out 3 more. So that's a total of 5. Did you see how I did that? Again, I knew we were already out at 2, and so then we went out 3 more. So this is a total of 5, and then it was still up at 4. I didn't go up or down at all, so the focus is at 4. To write the equation, all I need to know is this, this, and this. Those are our 3 parts. So I'm going to make a space for the x. I'm going to make a space for the y. Do you see how I did that? Like right at the beginning, I have to know this because otherwise I don't know where to put anything. And it is very confusing. So again, if you know that it's y squared, leave a space for the x and a y, and then you can get rid of the parentheses if you need the 2 later. So the vertex is opposite of that. It's opposite of that. And the p-value is 1 over 4 times 3, so our a value is 1 over 12. It is positive, so this would be our final answer on that one. Again, if you need some help, go to either of those playlists. Hopefully that'll help you out a little bit.